Hello and welcome to this video. This is the community log, and it was sent out from PickME 1977, and the mission of this log is to be pinned up by the community. So everyone who receives this log is allowed to change one pin and one chamber, and then he should send it to the next person for the next modification. And I received it from West Coast Picks. He has changed one pin and one chamber, and it's written here in the list of modifications. So it's almost stuck, but chamber number 2 is modified by West Coast Picks already. So now it's my turn to pick this log open and to change one pin and one chamber. Key works. Now let's pick it, and I will use this nice pocket pick that West Coast Picks has sent to me. Let me zoom in. Was 1, 2. How to get under 3, but I think I could set 3, 4, 5, 6. No, there is no 6. No, there is no 6. Knowing West Coast Picks, he has probably added a T-pin. Oh, felt a little turn on the core. And no, it's not open. A T-pin with different diameters. Ha! And now it's open. So, curious to see the pin West Coast Picks has modified. Okay. Need my tools. This clip off. And a screwdriver. I want to destroy this clip. Now I think it's coming off. I think I have to bend it a little bit more. Yeah, now it's off. Follower. Okay, let's see. Pins are pointing upwards. Oh, probably I should shim this. It has a very deep groove. Sorry guys, I have to get my shims. No, come on. Oh, I don't want to mess it up. Shit. Okay. Probably lost driver number 1. Huh, what's going on here? There is no driver 1. Okay, let's see. You can see the spring in 1, but I don't know where the driver is. So my tweezers. out number 2. But number 2 is a T-pin, but it doesn't want to come out. I think I see what's the problem. There is a bit of a spring that's looking out. So I will further disassemble it. No. It's not a spring, it's my shim. Now it's coming out. Wow, very nice. And it's a 2-part pin, so it's a pin in pin. I will have a closer look just in a second, and the rest is are standard drivers. Yeah, that's it. Out all the springs. There is a steel spring. So probably the steel spring goes in 2. Now let's check the key pins. One is a standard, 2 is a standard. 2 came out of chamber number 3. What's going on here? So this is 3, and this is not a key pin, this is a driver. So I put it here. So I'm totally confused. All right. Okay. First, let's have a look at this awesome pin made by West Coast Picks. It's a pin in pin. So that's the part that goes towards the spring, and here is the hollow part, and it's I don't know what to say. It's a serrated T-pin. Yeah, it's a serrated T-pin in combination with a pin in pin, and yeah, it's magnetic. And if you push it together, it's pointing out a little bit. So it's also another T-pin part of this pin. The rest is stock, unmodified, all standards. Now I want to see that the key still works. Okay, where's the key? So all key pins are in the chambers. Let's see. Okay. Very nice shear line. No problems with that. It's still a mystery how these pins have changed their position. Maybe when I was cutting the lock, it somehow changed the pin chamber. Yeah, I'm a little bit confused, sorry for that, but here is the picking of the community lock, and at the end of this video I will have changed another part of this lock. another pin and maybe a chamber. Alright, I've completed my modifications on this community lock. I show you that the key still works, so no problem. And I've changed key pin number 4 and chamber number 4. So put it back together. Here is a list of the rules you have to follow when you modify this lock. Also goes back in the bag. So, and the next person on the list to receive this lock will be PickME. So buddy, here is your package, and I've added some additional goodies for you. I hope you like them. So, it goes in the package, and I will hopefully be able to send this out to you tomorrow. Yeah, and PickME 1977, thank you very much for the opportunity that I could participate in making this great community lock. And PickME, happy picking with the goodies and happy modifying, and everybody else. Yeah, thank you much for watching and happy picking. Bye bye.